How to fix URL Roblox Protocol Error. So I will be showing you at least three methods for today. And the first one is you just have to simply go to your Roblox account. Okay, log in your Roblox here. And then you have to go to your settings. So tap this gear icon at the top right corner, scroll down, and then look for settings. Tap settings. And then here, go to security. Now you have to scroll down and then tap this log out of all sessions. One of the reasons why you encounter this URL Roblox protocol error or you encounter this problem, it's because of this too many sessions, too many devices log in. So you have to simply tap this one. Now, after doing this, if you still encounter same problem or if didn't fix the problem, you have to do the second thing. Go to your Google account, tap this three dots, and then go to settings. Now here you have to tap this privacy and security and go to third-party cookies. Now scroll down till you see this see all data. And then here what you're going to do is simply search for Roblox and tap this trash or delete icon. Then after doing this, if it didn't work, you have to go back again to privacy and security, go to clear browsing data. Okay, so choose for time range, but you have to make sure that you tap or you check this cookies and other site data and cached image and files. Tap clear data. Now go back and see if after doing any of this method, it somehow fix URL Roblox protocol error. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.